Hi and Assalamualaikum. Firstly, my name is Daniel Akasha bin Fairuz. So I have another group members. The another group members is Muhammad Lokman Nur Hakim, Hera Zami dan Muhammad Adam. So now me and my group members I want to explain and to answer the question of assignment economy. The first question is, suppose you are the chief executive officer of a firm and you have been planning to reduce your price. Your marketing manager reports that the price elasticity of demand for your product is 0.65. How will this news affect your plans? So the answer for this first question is inelastic. Change in price is more than change in quantity demand. Next, company cannot maximize the profit. It is because the company not worth it. For example, motorcycle. People want to buy motorcycle and producer also want to increase their sales, so it make 15% discount, but quantity demand or the people buy motorcycle only increase 10%. In this case, producers can't maximize their profit.
This question is to determine the inelasticity for some demand. The formula of elasticity is percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price. Then we use the four formula: the change in quantity demand and change in price. For the change quantity demand, 10 minus 2 and percentage, then we get 0.02. For change in price, RM 3.75 minus RM 3.00 and percentage, then we get the 0.0075. Then change quantity demand divide change in price, then we get 2.7. So the answer is elastic. This is because its elasticity demand is more than 1, so it's not interfere the company income profit. Even some decrease in demand, company still can cover in increase in price. That's all from me.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Luqman Nur Hakim bin Muhammad Farid. My PDL number is 2111010. So now my part is for question 3. The question 3 sounds like, what do you anticipate will happen to the demand for t-shirt? Are t-shirt a normal good given this information? So the answer is t-shirt demand will decrease since consumers cannot afford to buy them owing to the economic recession. Secondly, t-shirt is normal good because that is a basic needs for consumer. Even though the demand for t-shirt is elastic, consumers must manage their finance to ensure that they have enough money to meet their necessities owing to the economy. People's income will decline if the economy is in recession. This will have an impact on their lives and they will need to carefully handle their finance. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Adam bin Mu'niza. My PDL is 2111014. So now, my part is question 4. The question 4 is, explain the sign of each of the cross price elasticities. What do is simply about the relationship between the two goods in question? The answer is an increase in the price of good A leads to a rise in quantity demand of good B. Example, Coke and Pepsi are substitute. When the price of Coke increase, the demand for Coke decrease, but the quantity Pepsi will increase. An increase in the price of good A leads to fall in the amount demanded of good B. For example, an increase in the price of motorcycle will lead to a fall in demand for helmet. This is an example of complementary goods.
Okay, now I will explain the answer for question 5. So first, this is the elastic supply curve for cars. And another one, it is the inelastic supply curve for beach phones result. The answer for question A is the equilibrium price decrease while the equilibrium quantity increase as the quantity demand increase. Next, the answer for question B is the price of the result will directly change because for inelastic quantity demand change proportionately less than the price change. For the last question, which is question C, the answer is the automobile because elastic supply has more change in price, which brings about a large change in quantity supply. So that's all from our group. Thank you for your time for watching our presentation. Assalamualaikum.